Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, smart and good character student. How are you today? It's a wonderful today, yeah. Hopefully you are in your good condition. You are still healthy at home and study and ready to study now. Yeah. Let's continue our learning material. Yeah, in the chapter 2, in the previous meeting we have discussed about ability, and today we will talk about willingness. Let's get started. Yeah, in this unit or in this module, you should be able to understood how to ask and say if someone is willing to do something. Ya, use will. Ya, kita nanti membahas tentang willingness. Kalian mau bersedia melakukan sesuatu atau tidak? Ya, kalau yang kemarin itu bisa atau tidak bisa, sekarang ini mau atau tidak mau. Kalian bersedia akan melakukan sesuatu atau tidak? Ya, seperti apa itu? Let's check it out. Ya, the learning activity 2 is about willingness. Ya, please pay attention to the picture. Ya, coba lihat gambarnya. What picture is it? Gambar apa ya? Iya, how many books yang sedang diangkat oleh boys ini? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ada 8 buku dan semuanya besar-besar ya. Will you bring some of these books for me? Maukah kamu membawakan beberapa buku ini untukku, membantu membawakan? Ya, kalau yang ditanya itu kamu, what will you do? Will you bring some of his book? Maukah kalian membawakan beberapa dari bukunya? Yes or no? Some of you, yes, I will bring it for you. And some of you, maybe, no, I will not because I'm also bringing my book. Ya, ada yang mau membawakan, ada yang tidak karena juga lagi bawa buku. Ya, so yeah, let's discuss further about it. Ya, what will you do? What will you do? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan? Ya. If we want to ask whether someone is willing to do something, we ask for willingness. Jadi kalau kita mau bertanya orang itu mau melakukan sesuatu atau tidak, itu berarti we ask for willingness. While if we want to express our willingness to do something, we state willingness. Kalau misalkan kita mau mengekspresikan bahwa kita bersedia melakukan sesuatu, itu namanya we state willingness. Asking or stating willingness. Ya. We use will to state our willing to do something in present ya. Kalau past itu pakai kata would. I can sing and I will sing if someone asks me. Aku bisa bernyanyi and I will sing if someone asks me. Aku akan bernyanyi kalau seseorang bisa memintaku melakukannya. I would not be late if I wake up early. Ya, aku nggak akan telat kalau aku bangunnya pagi. Kenapa pakai would? Karena berarti sekarang dia telat. Ya, karena dia tidak bangun pagi. Ya, so let's continue. Nah, this is the pattern ya. Stating for willing to do something ya. Example-nya ada subject plus will or would and then verb one and complement. Nih, example-nya ada banyak di sini. I will pick you up from the course this afternoon. The farmers will plant rice in the rainy season. She will come to your birthday party. She would come to my house yesterday. She would leave the class on the second period. I would eat your noodle, but I was full. Ya, Ini subjeknya. This is the subject. I, the farmers, she, we, I. Nah, ini adalah subjeknya. And then plus will or would. And then verb 1. Jadi walaupun di sini past tense, di sini tetap pakai verb 1 ya. Jadi yang past tense hanya will or would-nya saja. Verbnya tetap verb 1 and then plus complement. Okay, next let's continue. Nah, ini the second about stating for not willing to do something. We tinggal add not ya, di situ tinggal menambahkan not setelah will or would. I will not write a letter every Sunday. They will not visit our village. Ririn would not or wouldn't. Jadi would not itu bisa disingkat wouldn't take part in the competition. Mr. Yuda would not explain again. Setelah kata will or would itu plus not. Okay, yeah, great. Let's continue. How about asking for someone's willingness to do something? Okay, ini patternnya, polanya. Pakai will or would and then plus subject and then verb 1 complement. Jadi will atau would-nya ada di depan. Will you help me please? Will you have a study club with me? Will you join to go to Watu Rumpuk with our class? Will she give me a reason? Would you accompany me in my speech contest? Would he return my books? After will and would, subject and then verb 1, help, have, join, give, accompany, return. Ini adalah verb 1. Kemudian setelah verb 1 ada complement. Okay, student? How about what I have discussed? Have you understood about it? Okay, let's check it. Okay, student, this is the exercises. Okay, let's start. Yeah, the first one. I blah 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 buy a new bag if I have a lot of money. The correct word to fill the blank is aku blah 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 membeli tas baru kalau aku punya banyak uang. Kira-kira what is the answer? Would not, would, will not, or will? Okay, great. Yeah. So I will buy a new bag if I have a lot of money. Aku akan membeli tas baru kalau uangku banyak. Aku punya banyak uang. Tapi kalau tidak, nggak jadi beli tas baru. Okay, good. Next for the second question. Yeah, this is the second question. Teacher says, blah blah blah. You are in a library now. Kira-kira apa yang dikatakan Bu Guru? Dimas menjawab, okay, Mom, I'm sorry. Ya Bu, maaf. Yeah, so the correct expression to fill the blank is, kira-kira kalau Dimas bilang sorry dan dia sedang ada di library, apa yang diminta oleh the teacher tadi? Will you walk? Maukah kamu berjalan? Maukah kamu atau bisakah kamu untuk lebih tenang? Maukah kamu berani? Maukah kamu hati-hati? Yang mana? A, B, C, or D? Okay, good. Yeah, the answer is B. Jadi teachernya tadi bilang, will you be quiet? You are in the library now. Bisa diem gak? Mau agak tenang gak? Ya, sedang di perpustakaan. Jadi kalau di perpustakaan gak boleh rame ya. Okay, good. Let's continue. Yeah, this is number 3. It's hot here. It's hot here, blah blah blah. Okay, then Abdul answer, of course, I will do it. Ya, kira-kira kalau cuacanya panas, ya apa yang diminta Yeni to Abdul? Okay, I will turn on the fan. Karena di sini Abdulnya menjawab ya, I will do it. So, tadi apa yang diminta oleh Yeni? Dimatikan atau malah dinyalakan fan-nya? Ya, because di situ hot. Ya, jadi dia minta to turn on the fan. Great. Let's continue. Yeah, this is number 4. Sandra, blah blah blah, helping me with my stuff. It's too heavy. No problem, let me bring it for you. So the correct expression, Sandra tadi bilang, bantu aku dengan barang-barangku, berat sekali. And then Dina says, no problem, tidak apa-apa, yuk sini, saya bantu membawakan. Jadi tadi Sandra meminta Dina untuk membantu membawakan barangnya. Kira-kira blanknya ini diisi dengan would you mind, will you, could you, or can you. Perhatikan kata helping di sini. A, B, C, or D. Okay, good. So, kalau kita meminta seseorang melakukan sesuatu in polite expression ya, kita pakai ini. Would you mind helping? Ya, would you mind bringing? Misalkan. Jadi kalau bentuknya di sini ada verb ing di sini, jadi tidak hanya will, could sama can, jadi ada tambahan kata ini. Oke, diingat-ingat ya. Would you mind helping me with my stuff? Would you mind helping? Ya, would you mind plus verb yang pakai ing ya, verb ing. Oke, good. Let's continue. Number 5. What blah 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 you like to have dinner? Rice or other? Jadi kamu ditawari nih ceritanya. The correct word to fill the blank is will, would, will not, or would not. Yang mana? B. Okay, let's try. Great. Ya, jawabannya yang would. What would you like to have dinner, rice or other? Ada hubungannya dengan nomor yang sebelumnya tadi. Jadi kalau meminta seseorang, menawari seseorang, kalian pakai kata would. What would you like? Would you like? Nah, tadi would you mind, yang ini would you like, itu adalah meminta atau menawarkan yang sopan. Jadi polite expression. Okay, that's all, student. Yeah. Hopefully what we are talking today is good for you. You understood about it and you can use it in your daily life. Yeah, be brave to speak English. Yeah, speak up, just speak up. Don't be shy, nggak usah malu-malu. Pokoknya ngomong saja. Ya, salah itu masalah belakangan. Yang penting you are brave to speak up. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry for making mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you.